Welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for the HR competitive exams. If you want to check quality of our content, you can take demo test series and read demo study materials here. Please ensure to log in before you check demo content. Here you can find free test series and ebook section. For demo tests, you need to click on free test series. In paid course, we do provide test series in topic-wise, act-wise, model mocks and previous year solved papers. So here is demo of each set section. This is topic-wise demo test. This is act-wise demo test. This is demo model mock. And this is demo previous year solved papers. All demo tests have limited questions only. In paid course, you can have full-length test. For demo study materials, you need to click on eBooks. Here you can find demo study materials. This is PDF with course details. If you want to know more about the course, you can refer this PDF, or you can check course details in blog section also. Under videos, you can see many videos which will help in your learning journey. Hope you find right platform for your learning needs. All the very best for your exam. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number.